national ethnic festival in the USA. Some people believe that the war dance of societies of the Ponca and other Southern Plains tribes was the origin of the powwow. Another belief is that when the Native American tribes were forced onto reservations, the government also forced them to dance for the public to come and see. Before each dance, they were led through the town in a parade, which was the beginning of the grand entry. All the participants run group by group from all 4 entrances. Today, powwows are organized by committees that work for weeks before the event. The powwow begins with the grand entry. This is the entry of all the people entering the arena. This originally was a parade through the town the powwow was in. Even today, in some powwows, these parades are still held. During the grand entry, everyone is asked to stand as the flags are brought into the arena. The flags generally include the USA flag, tribal flags, the POW flag, and eagle staffs of various native nations. These are usually carried by veterans. Native Americans hold the USA flag in an honored position despite the horrible treatment received from this country. The flag has a dual meaning. First, it is a way to remember all of the ancestors that fought against the USA. The flag here also reminds people of those people who have fought for this country. In the end, the best dancers win prizes.